Today's lesson is topic 7.4, using compatible numbers to estimate. The objective for today says, I will use compatible numbers to estimate products of two-digit numbers. Here's vocabulary to add to your math journals. Compatible numbers. These are numbers that are easy to compute mentally. Compatible numbers help you get an even closer estimate. Looking at the problem, 27 times 4 or 25 times 4, which one do you think would be easier to multiply? Think that to yourself and think about why it would be that way. 25 and 4 are compatible numbers because it would be easier for us to multiply 25 times 4 than it would be to multiply 27 times 4. Using compatible numbers is another way to estimate products. 25 is an easy number for us to work with because we can think about what we already know about money. 1 quarter is equal to 25 cents, and you know that 4 quarters equals $1. If I took the money portion out of it, take out the decimals, take out the cents, I would then have left with 4 25s is equal to 100. Now let's dive into our problem for today. To win a game, you need a product that is as close to 1,600 as possible. Remember, a product is an answer to a multiplication problem. You can choose two factors from the numbers 24, 32, 61, and 78. Which numbers can you select so that the product is closest to 1,600? In your notes, include these numbers. Our numbers are 24, 32, 61, and 78. We want to use compatible numbers to determine our answer to this problem. A compatible number for 24 would be 25. We know 25 is a number that's pretty easy for us to work with depending on what we're multiplying by. So 24 is within 1 of 25, so I'm going to make a compatible number 25. 32 is fairly close to 30. 61 would be 60. 78 is 80. My job now is to decide which two factors or numbers that I'm going to be multiplying together are going to give me a product closest to 1,600. So, looking at my list, I see my number. I have 25, I have 30, I have 60, and I have 80. I'm looking to find my closest one to 1,600. 24 can also be a compatible number of 20. So, looking on here, I see that I have 80 and 20. I know that if I multiplied 80 times 20, 8 times 2 would give me 16, and I have 2 zeros left, so I'll add those to my end. So my answer would be 1,600. So therefore, the two numbers I should multiply together to get closest, so my two factors I would use would be 24 and 78. In your notes, include this next problem. Using the same four numbers, 24, 32, 61, and 78, which pair of compatible numbers gives a product closest to 2,100, and why? I'm taking a look at my list of numbers. 24 is a compatible number of 25, 32 is 30, 61 is 60, and 78 is 80. If I took my two numbers, I could multiply my 25 times 80, and I would get 2,000. So my answer would be the two numbers that would get me the product closest to 2,100 would be 24 and 78. Try this on your own in your notes. Estimate to find each product. When possible, use compatible numbers. Remember, you can do 25 instead of 26 and 40 instead of 42 and get your answer of 100.